I've struggled with this my whole life. It just made me so insecure. It's life-changing. Thank you, Dr. Lebowitz.
I got a lovely lady here. We're going to do multiple little things on her. We'll tell you as we do, but she comes in for Botox and facial fillers a couple of times a year. And so what bothers her right now, I'm gynecomastia expert, but I'm one of the best at facial injections. So we're going to do, if you span on in here, we're going to do these DAOs called. We're going to keep her face kind of anonymous here, so we're going to go on down. What she complains about, a little downturning of the corners of her mouth on both sides. So there's these two muscle pairs called the DAOs, the depressor means depressing or bring it down, angulus means the angle, oris means the mouth. It depresses or brings down the angle of the mouth. So we're going to modulate that. So do this for me, kind of a little thing. So this is the muscle right here, this little thing causing downturn. So with my Botox, I put a little bit there and a little bit there. And obviously do it again. Do a little bit. Do it one more time. Good. A little bit right there. And a little bit right there. Also the mentalis muscle. She gets a little bit of tension. I can see the tension in there. So kind of tighten up there you go. It's called the peau de l'orange, the orange peel. Kind of give me that orange peel of the skin. There. Oh, you almost did it. Right there. That's it. That's the orange peel. See, it looks like an orange peel. Do it again. See that, guys? Right there. And that's going to reduce the tension in her mouth there. And I think that's going to be just. So I marked her right there. Give her a little bit right in there. Perfect. And right up there. That'll get rid of that. Perfect. Let's go on the other side. Do the same thing. Turn this side a little bit. Good. Do that same maneuver. See? That's it. Do it again. This side's a little weaker on this side. So give a little bit right there. Bunk. And a little bit right in there. Right there. Bunk. Perfect. Now that peau de l'orange, that orange peel, the peel of the orange, the peau. So do that little maneuver. Get that orange peel. There you go. Oh, what great orange peel you got. Give a little bit there. Give a little bit there. And one in the center. She wants, smile for me. So she wants this kind of filled in right here, a little bit filled in right here, and a little bit over here. Just kind of this little triangle. And again, that'll help to lift that up if we fill this little triangle. So I'm going to do a little Blunt Cannula Technique right here. Give you a little bit of a filler right there. So a little bit right there. And finally the temple again. So a little bit right there. So what I'm going to do is give her a little bit of Novocaine. Smile again. Perfect. Relax. Give a little bit right here. This will help to lift the corner of the mouth a little bit. Sorry. Good. A little bit right there. A little bit. Good. Perfect. A little bit over here. Get the Blunt Cannula Technique right in there. And finally, in the temple. This is a little Novocaine. It's a little Novocaine with Epi. And we're going to fill in her temple and do it by right about here. And a little bit right. Squish that little matzo ball in there. There you go. So I do the Blunt Cannula Technique. So we're going to start on this side. We're going to go right here. And she's not even going to feel that. It's a little pilot hole. Right there. And this is Juvederm Velour, or sometimes it's called Volift. They just changed its name. Go right into this little hole, boom, and fill it right on in there. Go right up to the tip. So you're going to go to 1, 2 to 6. Just fill it up. See, that's the tip of the cannula. And she wants a little bit in the cheeks too. So we'll go right up there. There you go. Give it a little lift. Go up right in there. Perfect. That's it. Come on right up in there. And give a little bit. So that's the cannula. And this way you don't have to stick. And she wants it up in the little cheeky area. Give you the apples a little bit. I'm gonna go to 2.
Right here? Yes. Have a seat wherever you come.
Almost there. There you go. Good. There you go. Right in this little temple, tear-trough area she wants. Fill in a little bit. Done. There we are. This one goes right down to bone. So you go, yeah, go down, and you all right?
Yep. I don't feel anything.
Yeah, no, not the way I do it. And you just fill this in. Go way up on top. You can kind of see that filling right up there. Go right to the lateral eye. You can kind of see everything. And you're under the vessels and under the nerves. Come over here. You all right?
Yep.
Come right. This is the temple bone. That's where the muscles, the masseter muscles. You all right?
Yep.
Come right to that temple. That's the temple hollow. And come to this right there. See the vessels underneath it? See them? Halfway there. You okay?
Doing great.
Are you sure?
Yep. I don't feel anything.
See them under that vessel, see that? Make little sheets. You don't go. A little bit more right up here, I think. A little bit more right up there. A little bit more. See the feeling? Smush it down. Here is the treated temple, right there, and that's the untreated temple. But she doesn't care. She puts her hair like that. She's not kidding. See, that's the untreated temple, and it looks amazing. So let's let's show the resultsies. Yep.
Wow.
You like?
Yeah.
And no bruising.
Yep.
See the eye too?
Yep.
That whiteness is the
Yeah.
Novocaine I use. That's,
It looks great.
And see the lips?
Yep.
I mean the
Around,
folds.
yep.
You might have a little bruise there. It's just
That's
a little
okay.
on that side.
It looks amazing. Yes. I'm so
And
happy.
just smoothing it in.
Okay.
But, you know, because it's superficial,
Okay.
and you got that temple ridge there. But
Okay.
I think we did good, and this will last 2 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
See the difference in the temples? Look.
Yeah, I do.
Let me hold
Yeah,
it up
that's
there.
amazing. That's amazing. Thank you so much.
It's not overdone. You're not
Nope,
like you have
absolutely
a big knot on the corner of your forehead.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. So we're not going to show her face, but Dr. Lebowitz, plastic surgeon, the best there is. 631-424-0101. 631-424-0101. Thank you and see you soon.